If you think AI is difficult, I'm about to change your mind. Here are 5 powerful AI tools anyone can use in 2025. First is ChatGPT, your AI assistant. It writes scripts, emails, ideas, explanations, and saves hours of work. Next is Canva. Make thumbnails, YouTube posts, logos, and designs in seconds. Number 3, Runway. Turn text into videos, remove backgrounds, and create cinematic AI scenes easily. Fourth is ElevenLabs, the best AI voiceover tool with natural human voices. And lastly, tools like Remove.bg and Photoshop AI help erase backgrounds and fix photos instantly. AI makes content creation simple. Subscribe to TechFlow Studio for more easy tech videos.